Hello, I'm Nikki. Welcome to Off Grid Style. Let's get started.
In the face of imminent danger or disaster, the decision to bug out, leaving one's home or usual environment in search of safety, is a critical one that requires careful planning and execution. While preparing for a bug out scenario involves knowing what to do, it equally is important to understand what not to do. So we will look at a comprehensive list of things not to do when bugging out, looking to equip individuals with the knowledge and awareness necessary to navigate challenging situations effectively and increase your chances of survival. Panicking. One of the most detrimental things a person can do when bugging out is to panic. Panic clouds judgment, it impairs your decision making, and it can lead to reckless behavior. So instead of succumbing to panic, remain calm, assess the situation rationally, and adhere to your bug out plan. Delaying action. In a crisis situation, every second counts. Delaying action or hesitating can exacerbate the dangers and diminish your chances of reaching safety. Avoid procrastination and act swiftly and decisively when the need to bug out arises. Underestimating threats. Underestimating the severity of threats or downplaying the risks can be a fatal mistake when bugging out. Take all warnings and alerts seriously and err on the side of caution when assessing the danger level of a situation. Neglecting preparedness. Preparedness is key to survival when bugging out, and neglecting to prepare adequately can have dire consequences. Ensure that you have a well thought out bug out plan, essential supplies, and necessary equipment ready beforehand to minimize risks and maximize your chances of survival. Overloading your pack. While it's essential to have those essential supplies and gear with you when you are bugging out, overloading your pack with unnecessary items can slow you down and impede your progress. Pack only the essentials, focusing on lightweight, multi-purpose items that will aid in your survival without weighing you down. Drawing attention to yourself. In a bug out scenario, it is crucial to maintain a low profile and avoid drawing unnecessary attention to yourself. Loud noises, bright colors, or conspicuous behavior can attract unwanted attention and put you at risk of encountering hostile individuals or groups. Relying solely on technology. While technology can be a valuable tool in emergencies, relying solely on electronic devices like GPS or smartphones for navigation and communication is risky. Electronics can fail or lose power, leaving you stranded without essential resources. Always have backup navigation methods and communication devices. Ignoring personal safety. Your safety should be your top priority when bugging out. Ignoring personal safety measures like wearing appropriate clothing and footwear or neglecting to stay hydrated and rested can increase your vulnerability and impair your ability to cope with the challenges of bugging out. Straying from your route. Deviating from your planned bug out route without a compelling reason can lead to confusion, disorientation, and even getting lost. Stick to your predetermined route as much as possible and only deviate from it if absolutely necessary due to unforeseen circumstances. Losing focus on survival priorities. In the chaos of a bug out situation, it is super easy to lose focus on survival priorities and become distracted by non-essential tasks or concerns. Maintain clarity of purpose and focus on meeting your immediate survival needs, like finding shelter, water, and food, before addressing those secondary concerns. There you have what not to do when bugging out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.